Day of Gratitude. A personal slideshow inspired by the great Muslim American road trip. Ask Dr. Aamir Ehsan what it's like to fast as a Muslim in Ramadan, and he'll ask you to try it for yourself. And when you complete the fast, he'll even make a charitable donation on your behalf. For years now, that's been Aamir's goal, to have guests of other faiths benefit from the experience of fasting and to break their fast with the Muslim community. When he started this Fastathon project in his hometown of San Antonio, only a dozen people signed up. He invited them to his local mosque for iftar, where they shared their stories and enjoyed delicious food. But word spread. Now hundreds have joined in, and they give each other advice on waking up early, staving off cravings, and missing out on morning coffee. But more than practical tips, the participants come to understand the deeper goals of Ramadan.
Common things we hear, it was a unique experience and further strengthened their faith. They felt the value of blessings they have in their life by experiencing thirst, hunger, and restraint from routine activities.
Even the mayor of San Antonio has joined in and shared this core message.
It has been a very good day, a very focused day, but a day of gratitude.
Tens of thousands of dollars have been raised for local charities, and that's also what impressed Marta Pelez, who runs the Family Violence Prevention Services in San Antonio, one of the recipient organizations.
I am in awe at the initiative of people who, for no other reason at all than the interest in doing something wonderful for other human beings, get together and invite others to join.
Aamir says, "My hope and my dua is that this approach to Fastathon continues to grow and brings the spirit of Ramadan to the entire nation." This short slideshow was inspired by the Great Muslim American Road Trip, a 3-hour series produced by Unity Productions Foundation. In this series, activist and artist Mona Haider and her husband Sebastian Robbins travel historic Route 66, Chicago to LA, learning stories of American Muslim roots along the way. While the subject matter of this slideshow isn't included in the main road trip film, this is part of our educational outreach initiative, sharing amazing stories of Muslims enriching America. Your support makes this work possible.